The Australian state of Victoria reported the country's highest daily increase in coronavirus infections on Monday. It prompted the authorities to warn the 6-week lockdown may have to be extended if people continue to go to work with symptoms of the virus. Victorian Premier Daniel Andrews.
It's just a matter of fact we have too many people who have symptoms and they are going to work. And what that means, even with mask wearing, even with hand hygiene, even with distancing, that is an unacceptable risk in terms of transmitting this virus. That is what is driving these numbers up, and the lockdown will not end until people stop going to work with symptoms and instead go and get tested because they have symptoms.
Victoria reported 532 new cases of the virus, the most Australia has reported in a single day. That compares to just 17 new infections in New South Wales. Victoria now has more than 4,500 active cases, after weeks of triple-digit daily rises. Australia's Prime Minister Scott Morrison said the high number of new cases in the state showed how transmission of the illness among younger people could spread to aged care home facilities through family members.
It's important to understand that the challenges, and they are significant in the aged care sector, are a reminder that when community transmission occurs with COVID-19, the aged care sector will always be impacted. That is certainly the experience we've seen in other countries.
Australia has recorded almost 15,000 infections in total since the pandemic began, and 161 deaths, with authorities warning more lives will be lost as infections continue to rise.